Things you must know before planning the Sar Pass Trek. Sar Pass Trek is a popular summer trek which takes you to an elevation of 4,200 meters above sea level. It is one of the few treks in the country in which you can find snow even in the peak summer months of April and May. You also get to witness the Himalayan life in the villages of Grahan and Pulga. This trek is considered one of the best in the country and attracts a lot of trekkers. But before embarking on this remarkable journey, here are few things which you must know before planning the Sar Pass Trek. First, difficulty. Though it is a very popular summer trek, yet it is not an easy one. We grade it as a moderate trek and recommend at least a month of preparation. Light jogging to running for at least 30 minutes is a good way to start preparing for this trek. A mix of strength and cardiovascular training is essential for this trek. Cardio needs more focus as it builds stamina and endurance. You can check our video on how to prepare for Himalayan trek to understand in details how you can condition your body for this trek. Second, temperature. As it is a summer trek, people often don't come prepared with enough layers. Though this trek is done in peak summer months of April and May, yet you cannot compromise on layering on this trek. On a lucky day, you can even witness snowfall during the trek, especially in the higher campsites of Minthaj, Nagaru and Biskari. Expect day temperatures from 12 to 18 degrees and night temperatures may get below 0 degrees during the trek. So plan adequate layers accordingly. Ideally, 4 layers on the upper body and 2 layers on the lower body are recommended at night. Similarly, 2 layers for the upper body and single layer on the lower body is recommended during the day. Third, trekking gears. As it is a snow trek, micro spikes and gaiters are essential for this trek. The Searching Souls team will provide you with good quality of micro spikes and gaiters so that you can easily traverse across the snow trails. A high ankle water resistant trekking shoe is recommended for this trek as the trails are mostly covered in snow. Though a summer trek, yet sport shoes are as strict no on this trek. Other gears like jacket, trek pole, head torch, etc. also plays a crucial role. Fourth, exploring Himalayan villages. 2 of the major Himalayan villages of the Parvati Valley are part of this trek. On day 1, you will be staying at Grahan, which is picturesque villages where you can experience the slow Himalayan life. Most of the houses here are built from wood and are based on the ancient earthquake-resistant Kathkuni architecture. Fifth, rentals. Kasol is the base of this trek, and unlike other treks, rentals are not easily available on arrival at Kasol. It is advised to pre-book your rentals with your preferred trekking organization. The Searching Souls has one of the largest inventory of rental products, which can be easily booked online before the start of your trek. Sixth, network connectivity. There are no networks on this trek. At some specific points, you may get calling networks, but they are not reliable. So if you are planning this trek, be prepared to be out of network zone for all 5 days. 7. Offloading backpacks are expensive than other treks. As per the local village unions, the backpack offloading cost is much expensive on this trek when compared to other Himalayan treks. At Sar Pass, the cost is approximately Rs 5,000 for backpack offloading. Finally, if you are planning for the Sar Pass trek, keep a note of these points and plan your journey accordingly. At the Searching Souls, we give our best to make your journey enjoyable and as comfortable as possible. Catering to over 15,000 trekkers every year, the Searching Souls is a highly rated and loved trekking community among trekkers. For more details, you can visit our website www.thesearchingsouls.com.